Catch me seated on a plane, flying by the seat of my pants, sleeping off the latest pain, turbulence wherever I land. Catch me seated on a plane, flying by the seat of my pants, trying my best to stay sane, stranded at sea on an island. Left my problems back on land, travel afar to distant lands, escaping all that ever was tiring. Wore off the buzz, ambition used to be the drug to deal with the life's daily drudge. Before mishaps pulled out the rug and my feet flew sky high and up. Explained it, I left a mark, a change in my outlook was stark. Self-belief decreased in stature, roots decoded, but dark nature spun around, turned upside down on my parade. It poured, it rained, a raid of bandits came unconquered, tore me up, had Venus wane. Don't have that much joy in me, the boy in me is sound asleep. It's merely a whisper when he speaks, as I sound off in the little things. I hear the faint voice in my head say he's had enough, wants to give up. My foothold slipped, I lost a step, now every step is full of dread. Touch me seated on a plane, flying by the seat of my pants, sleeping off the latest pain, turbulence wherever I land. Catch me seated on a plane, flying by the seat of my pants, trying my best to stay sane, stranded at sea on an island. In the air I feel at peace, I melt away without a care. Unease begins to disappear, a new lease on life takes me there. Depart to the world gracefully, grateful that I didn't appease. I know a farewell on my journey, bid farewell to what concerns me. Loosened up and dropped the collar, left my baggage at the counter. Detached from the leash, I freed and unleashed my own superpower. Stamped the fear of first impressions, I camped out with no direction. Moved forward with good intentions, headed towards a new direction. Little legroom has me cramped, but what lies ahead has me amped. On a hammock by a tree, I see me laying near a beach. In my head the light bulb went off, the lampshade is what I took off. I knew it was time for takeoff, betted on myself, it pay off.